Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on a window-mounted air conditioner that I really like. It's by Frigidaire, and it's a 12,000 BTU unit. Just to clarify, the model number on this one is FFRA 1222R1. I should mention too that I actually found a pretty good deal on this AC unit, and I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check that deal out. So, after doing quite a bit of research, I'll tell you right off the get-go, Frigidaire make really good AC units. They're some of the best in the industry. They don't break down near as much as the other ones do. They're very efficient energy-wise, and they just all around work good. This one's no exception, and a 12,000 BTU unit is perfect for a large room. If you're cooling a garage, if you're cooling a living room, a larger den, a larger bedroom, this is a great size, or if you're in just a real hot climate, I guess too, but 12,000 BTUs will give you the power that at least 5,000 and 8,000 BTU units can't. This will cool a room ice cold, a very, very large room to up to 550 square feet, but honestly, I think it could be even more than that. I would say up to a 700 or 800 square foot room. Unless you're keeping it at 62 degrees, but if you're keeping it at 75 to 78, 80 degrees, no problem going bigger than that. Another nice thing about this one too is it has a built-in dehumidifier. It's not as crazy powerful as some they like have other units you can get with a little more stronger dehumidifier. It's not like a standalone dehumidifier in it. It can only do about 4 pints an hour, but usually that's enough unless you live in a super humid environment or you care that much about dehumidification. If you keep the room cool, you don't always have to have it super dry in the room either. The controls on it are very simple to use, very straightforward. 2 knobs, basically the temperature and the mode. It's very simple to use. Comes with a remote, easy to use, works really good. Nothing fancy, but it just works. It has a washable filter inside, which is nice, so you don't have to replace it. It just comes out. You can wash in the sink very quickly, pop it back in there. I clean mine out probably once every 3 months or so, maybe a little more often in the summer when I'm using it. But yeah, this thing's great. Really like it a lot. Built like a tank. Another thing to mention too is it's very quiet too. It has a nice soothing fan sound to it. It's not annoying like some other window shakers I've used before. It's just got a nice peaceful fan noise to it, I guess you could say. So if you like running it to fall asleep at night, I couldn't recommend this thing enough. It's very soothing. Anyway, if you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you if I can. Thanks for watching and have a great day.